Well, hi, my name is Nolan. I'm an engineer here at Tormach who's been working on the PCNC 440 product, and I am here to introduce it to you. It is the smallest of our PCNC mill series. We have the 1100, the 770. Scaled down in size with the same technology is the PCNC 440. The advantage is that it fits in that smaller space and is less expensive than our other mills. We have 10 inches of travel in X, we have 6¼ inches of travel in Y, and we have 10 inches of travel in Z with spindle nose maximum clearance to the bed of the mill to be 12 inches. On both X and Y, we have 135 inches per minute for our rapid speeds, and on Z, we have 110 inches per minute. So this is a 10,000 RPM spindle. It's got 2 pulleys for varying the speed and increasing your torque at lower speeds if you're working with steel. And we have a 600 watt, roughly 3/4 horsepower brushless DC spindle motor in here. So it's balanced spindle to 10,000 RPM. This allows you to use good removal rates in both materials like plastics, aluminums, wood, things like that, where the higher spindle speed really helps with your machining times. Now, if you want to go into steel or something where you would have a lower spindle speed, we recommend going into a lower speed belt. You get the torque and you get low speed performance where a lot of other motors would fall off in performance. So it's very capable. It's the same spindle design, only a little bit shorter than our 770, which is tested time very well, and we think this one is a good fit for this size of machine. We kept the spindle, again, because it's like the 770 spindle, to be using our Tormach tooling system, TTS tools. We have a wide range of those already. So the PCNC 440 mill is controlled by Path Pilot, just like our other CNC mills. And for upcoming accessories, we have a port here where our 4th axis will be able to be plugged in. We'll have 4th axis accessory, we'll have a power drawbar accessory, and we will have an 8-tool ATC, which stands for automatic tool changer accessory, to go along with it. Now, a lot of other mills you'll see a larger work envelope, gantry style CNC machines. They lack a lot of rigidity to be taking large passes, depths of cut in metals and other materials. And we just felt that there was too much of a performance degradation. What we do differently is we have hand-scraped dovetail ways, and we have over 350 pounds of cast iron on this mill that help with reducing vibrations and creating stiffness, so we can really take out a good amount of material with each pass of the cutting tool. So what happens is you want to make a nice finish pass that leaves a good finish. You want to take more than a 20 or 30 thou depth of cut in aluminum or steel. Well, you can do that with this machine, and it really does open up the abilities of what you can work with. If you want to have a nice finish on a deep cut, a deep pocket, something like that, you need the rigidity to do that, and this machine has it.